Hello, good evening, students. We are live now. Good evening, students. We are live now. Hi, Nikhil. Is my audio and video clear? Nikhil, Ritu, Tanushri has joined. Okay, Shashank, Praveen has also joined. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for confirmation. Madhusudan, Tarunya has also joined. Okay, so I've got good strength. 14 of you have joined. Rishik has also come. Venugopal. Okay, good evening everyone. So today we are going to do, as you know, this is a revision class is going on. So here in this class today, I am going to do the MCQs of coordinate geometry. What I am going to do? MCQs questions. So multiple choice questions I am going to do. So when I am talking about coordinate geometry as well as distance formula. Because distance formula is actually a part of coordinate geometry. So both of these topics I am going to cover in today's class, like MCQs we are going to do. Okay, Yashwardhan has also, okay, yes. Great to see you, Yashwardhan. Sami has also joined. Okay, so little bit introduction I'll give you about coordinate geometry. You already are aware with this because here itself we have done classes. So if you haven't gone through those classes, you can go through. So in coordinate geometry, what is important first of all? The important thing is you should know about the Cartesian plane. So here you can see x-axis and y-axis. You can see the image. So in x-axis and y-axis, so this is known as Cartesian plane. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis. So here on right side we have positive x-axis, on left side negative x-axis, upper side positive y-axis, lower side negative y-axis. Yes, so distance formula is a part of coordinate geometry because I wanted to start the class with MCQs. So that's why. So it will cover both coordinate geometry as well as distance formula. So, but like in tomorrow's class, we will be doing subjective type of questions, 3 mark and 4 markers. That time we will do only the distance formula question. So as of now, I'll be considering both. Okay. So here you can see first quadrant. You people already know all these things, basic things. And this, if I write any point 1, comma 2, it is known as ordered pair where first one is the x point and second one is the y point. So this is basic information about coordinate geometry. I'm sure you people are already aware. If anything you don't know, I'll be explaining while doing the questions. So distance formula, as we haven't done earlier. So here I'll just give you what is distance formula and then I'll be starting with the questions. So if I have 2 points, if I have any 2 points, point when I'm talking, so these are the coordinates. So if I have any coordinates, so A and B are to the points and their coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2. So when you have to find the distance between these 2 points, that means AB. So we can find the distance by using the distance formula. So what is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula. So distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points whenever we have to find. So with this formula we can use. So second is distance of any point from origin. Distance from origin. Distance from origin we can find by using this formula. So any point's distance from origin we can find by using this formula, square root of x square plus y square. So these two formulas we will be using. Distance from x-axis and y-axis also we can find. So that questions we will do that time, I'll explain you. And in coordinate geometry, if you have any doubt, you can just go through the previous sessions. Now let's start the questions. So today's class entirely we will be doing MCQ questions. So shall I start? So you can also answer the questions. So let's do first question. So point minus 3 comma 5. So this point is there, minus 3 comma 5. So first one is point X, then Y. So this point lies in which quadrant? In which quadrant? See, X is negative, Y is positive. X negative and Y positive in which quadrant? Yes, so Yashwardhan has given the answer, second quadrant. Yes, so second quadrant you can see X is negative because it's a left side, this side, and Y is positive. So the answer of this one is second quadrant. First quadrant both positive, second quadrant X negative, Y positive, third quadrant both negative, fourth quadrant X is positive, Y is negative. So you can remember this. So this we have used. So first point, first answer is option B. No, it's not fourth. See, I am telling you first quadrant both positive, second quadrant X negative, Y positive, third quadrant both negative, and fourth quadrant X is positive, Y is negative. And as per this one, X is negative, Y is positive. So that means second quadrant. Yes, on second one, point 0 comma minus 7. So it lies on x-axis. It lies on x-axis. Think and answer me. The value of x is 0. The value of x is 0. Second one, you people are telling me, yes, Sami has given the correct answer. It lies on y-axis. Because on axis, this is axis. If any point lies on x-axis, for that particular point, the value of y is 0. So that point will look like this. If any point lies on y-axis, the value of x is 0 on that point and y's value will be in that thing. So here y's value is negative 7. So x is 0. So x is 0 on y-axis, not on x-axis. Okay, Shivani, you can just attend the class. So, yes. So this point lies on y-axis. So answer B is y-axis. Now third one, abscissa of a point is positive in. Abscissa. See, abscissa is x. Abscissa is the other name of x coordinate. Abscissa is the other name of x coordinate. See, x, y altogether they are known as coordinates. Abscissa is x coordinate and ordinate is y coordinate. Yes, so first and fourth. Here I have shown already in first question only I have told you abscissa means x. X is positive in first quadrant. See, this is xy. Here this is xy, here this is xy, here also xy. If you see first and fourth quadrant, x is positive. So which option? Option B. Yes. So Yashvardhan, Tanushri, Viresh, Venugopal and Praveen has also given the answer in the first and fourth quadrant. So B option. Let's do next questions. And if anyone, yes, okay, Sami has answered this question first. Even Shashank has also answered. Madhusudan also. Yes. Yes, Sami, you have answered this question first. Let's do next question, now fourth one. The point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction. So, which point it is? The point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction at y-axis. 0, comma. So, at y-axis, first of all, we know at y-axis means x value will be 0. So, either A or C are the possibilities. So, but what they are telling here, we have to understand point which lies on y-axis and at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. So, where do we have negative direction of y-axis? So, negative direction of y-axis in the third lower side of this one. So, this point it will be here 0, comma minus 5. Yes, so C option. It's 5 unit because it is lying on y-axis, so that's why value of x is 0, as it is in negative direction, so that's why y's value is negative 5. Next one, if the perpendicular distance, yes, so C option is the answer of fourth question. Rishik, Shivani and Praveen, Tarunya, Sami has given the answer, even Tanushri has given the answer. Yes, fifth question. The perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is 5 units. So again this I am just drawing. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. The perpendicular distance at a point P, so at point P from the x-axis is 5 units. And the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of x. The negative direction of x is here. This is negative. Because right hand side x is positive, left hand side x is negative. So they are telling distance is 5 units. So maybe here some point is lying and foot of the perpendicular perpendicular means straight line. Perpendicular means a line which makes an angle of 90 degree with x-axis. So either the line is going this way or from here also the line is going that way. Because they are telling the line is towards the negative direction of x-axis. Yes, so this can be y ordinate because distance from x-axis it will be here. If you measure the distance of x-axis, that point will always lie on y-axis. And because it is going towards the negative x-axis, so it can be positive 5 also, and it can be negative 5 also. Option C. Why option C? No, it can be both. Once again I'll repeat its explanation. Here they are not concerned about the values. Here they are not concerned about the values of y. Here they are telling one point P is there. One point P is there which is at a distance of 5 units from x-axis. So if this point is P, that means here the value y-axis point is P. So it is towards the negative direction of x-axis. So that means it can be positive 5 also, it can be negative 5 also. So it is not C option, it is D option. Is this question clear? The perpendicular at a distance P from x-axis is 5 units. So I have drawn the perpendicular. Both sides I have drawn the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular lies the negative. So here this is foot of the perpendicular. For this line, this is foot of the perpendicular. See, both cases, foot of the perpendicular lies on negative side of the x-axis. This is negative x-axis. Then point P has y coordinate 5 or minus 5. Is this thing clear? Okay. Let's do next question now. So for this option, for this question, D option is the correct option. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. The points whose abscissa and ordinate have different signs. So in which quadrant these points will lie? In which quadrant these points will lie? Abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. So in which, so we have already done first question. First one both positive, second x negative, y positive, third both negative, fourth x positive, y negative. So in which quadrant they have different signs. So different signs you can see in second one they have different because this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So you can see in second one positive negative and in fourth one positive negative. First and third one they have same sign. So second and fourth. Yes, so option D. Yes, so Nikhil, Rishik, Shashank, Tarunya, most of you have given the answer. Option D. Next one. Question number 7. Negative 5, 2 and minus 5, comma 2 and 2, comma minus 5. They lie in which quadrant? They lie in same quadrant, second and third. So same quadrant they are not lying. Again you can say x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive means second quadrant. X is positive, y is negative. So this one is fourth quadrant. Second and fourth. Yes, Shashank has given the answer of this one. When Yashvardhan has given the answer. C option is the correct answer. Question number 7, C option. Yes. Let's do next question. If till here anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. B option. It's C option. 7th question, C option. Yes, so points P, Q, R, S and T. Some points are there. So P's coordinates minus 1, comma 1. Q's coordinate 3, comma minus 4. R 1, comma minus 1. S is minus 2, comma minus 3. T is minus 4, comma 4 are plotted on a graph paper and then points in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant we already know. Again first quadrant both positive, second quadrant x negative, y positive, both negative, x positive, y negative. So which of the points they lie? Okay. Which of the point lies in fourth quadrant? Fourth quadrant, Q and R. Option B, some of you are telling. So fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. X positive, y negative. Here also x positive, y negative. So Q and R. Q and R, option B. Yes, so this is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Next one, question number 9th we can do now. On plotting the points, so some points are there. If we join all, so here for this question actually two ways are there. Either for distances we can find or directly also we can just have a rough sketch. So here I am just drawing a rough sketch of this one so that I can have the understanding. So 4 points are given to us and it's mentioned after joining all the 4 points which geometric figure will be obtained, like square, rectangle, trapezium or rhombus. First point is 0, 0. So I'll just join 0, 0 is origin, So I am just marking it. Then A is 3 comma B, or 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means it lies on x-axis. Option A, square. Okay, we just have to check whether it is square or which figure it is. So I'm just marking. So C is 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 lies on y-axis, and then D is no O A B. B is 3 comma 4. So this is O, this is A, B is 3 comma 4. So here it is lying 3 comma 4. Now if I join all the 4 points, so which figure it is? It is rectangle. Yes, it is rectangle, because this is 4 units, this distance is 4 units, this angle is 90 degree. This distance is also 4 units. This distance is 3 units, and this distance is also 3 units. So opposite sides are equal and all sides making an angle of 90 degrees. So it is rectangle. So this option B is the correct answer. Those who have told me square, just see opposite. Square has all the sides equal. Rectangle has opposite sides equal. So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So this concept we have to use here. Now which of the following point lie on the graph? So one line is there. Which of the following point lies? So question number 9th. Yes, rectangle. Who has given the answer first? Yes, Sami has given the answer. Before that, square you people were telling. So correct answer is rectangle. Okay, next question. Good, I can see you people are very active today. Although we are doing MCQs with easy questions, but still very good participation. Yes, so equation is there, 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equals to 0. So which of the point lies? So 4 options are there. So these type of questions, how you can do? By substitutions you can do. Substitution in the sense, you can see first option is 1 comma minus 2. So this is x and this is y. So you can just solve one side of the equation, which is left hand side. If your answer is equals to right hand side, that means this is the correct option. We did some equation in class. Same equation. Yes, we did. No, I don't remember, but we plotted the equation. Yes, assume from our side we have to do, but here options are already given. So we just have to, like, first option I'll just substitute here. So 3 at place of x, I'm just going to substitute its value 1, 5 into minus 2 plus 7. Only left hand side I am solving. So if I am getting my answer equals to right hand side, which is equals to 0, then that means this is the answer. So 3 minus 10 plus 7. 3 minus 10, no, this will become plus. So 3 plus 10, 10 plus 10, 20. So 20 is not equals to 0. 20 is not equals to 0. What first option? A option I just substituted here in the given equation. So here left hand side I am not getting equals to right hand side. So that means this is not the correct answer. So now we can just substitute here second one. So second one, the value of x is 1. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. So 3 into 2, fourth option. Nikhil has given the answer, fourth option. Madhusudan has given C option. So let's check who is correct. Two different answers we are getting. So 3 into, we just have to substitute. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 5 plus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 7 is equals to 8, which is again not equals to 0, which is right hand side. So this is also not correct. So B option, which is 2 comma 1, that is also Not the correct answer. So C, as you people, most of you are telling C is the correct one. Let's check for C. C option. So C option, x value is -1 plus -1 minus 5 into y. Y is 2 plus 7. So -3 minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 7. So this is -13 plus 7. So this is also not equals to 0 we'll get. So C option is not the correct one. So last one if I substitute, so 3x minus 5y plus 7. So last option, x value is 1, y's value is 2. So 3 minus 10 plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is equals to 0, which is equals to right hand side. Yes, so C option is not correct. Nikhil is correct, yes. D option is the correct option, and someone else, even Rishik. Now so many of you have given fourth option. When Madhusudan has given the fourth one. But Nikhil at starting itself he mentioned. Now yes, Yashvardhan, Praveen, Shashank, Tarunya has also given this answer. If I missed anyone's name, please don't feel bad. Let's do next question now. I hope this question is clear. Whenever you have to find a question like this, which of the option is correct, you do direct substitution and find it. Left hand side should be equals to right hand side in such cases. So question number 11. The pair of equation x is equals to a and y is equals to b. X is equals to a and y is equals to b. Graphically they represent line. So I think I have discussed these things in class also. I just want to ask you one question. If we have one line x is equals to a, what will be its location? I have discussed, if we have line x is equals to a, what will be its location? Is there anyone who remembers this? X is equals to a, where that line lies. Anyone remembers? Yes, x is equals to a is parallel to y axis. Very good. It is parallel to y axis. So parallel to y axis, like it will look like this. So this is x is equals to a. Another line I have, y is equals to b. Yes, so many of you have given the answer. Very, very good. Y is equals to b. So this is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. If I have any line, x is equals to a. Yes, so y is equals to b. This line is parallel to y axis. So that means somewhere like this, parallel to y axis. I'll just draw it with different color. So this one, this line, so this one is y is equals to b and this one is x is equals to a. So graphically represents which thing it is representing. Yes. So this is clear now. The option you see, network issue. It's x-axis, not y. But this is x-axis, but equation is y is equals to b and this is y is equals to a. This is x-axis and this one is y-axis. From my side, everything looks perfect. Do you all? Is my voice breaking for everyone? Network issue. I just want to answer, you to answer, every one of you. It's correct. Okay, if it is correct for someone, if it is not clear, please rejoin the class. That's what I can say. All right. Okay, then now tell me, I have shown you x is equals to a line looks like this, parallel to y axis, and y is equals to b is parallel to x axis. So which option is the correct option? Option B. Someone is telling option B. Madhusudan is telling option B. See, when I am writing coordinates, ordered pair, when we write first of all the value of x, then we write the value of y. Okay, now it's clear. Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. Now let's do this question. So, yes, Madhusudan has given the answer option B. Option B. Okay, so that's what intersecting lines will be there. First of all, parallel lines are not there, and coincident line. Coincident line means overlapping lines. No. So intersecting lines are there. First of all, what is the value of x? What's the value of s? X is A and Y is B. That means intersecting lines are there, but it is A comma B. Yes, so option D. Option D, not option B. So Shashank has given the correct answer, option D. Option A is not correct. Why option A is not correct? Option A says parallel lines. So these lines are not parallel. These lines are intersecting lines. So once again, if it is not clear, I'll just redraw this one with different colors so that you can just understand. So this is x-axis and y-axis. X, y. And x is equals to A. X is equals to A is parallel to y-axis. This is the line x is equals to A. So another line is y is equals to b. Y is equals to b is the line which is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Now they are intersecting at each other at this point. So this point it will be a comma b, not b comma a, because x value we always write first in ordered pair. So B option is not correct. D option is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Okay, let's do next question. Question number 13. The distance of the point from y-axis. So distance of the point from y-axis. So which option is correct? Distance from y-axis. So if you have any point, you can just plot the point. So point is minus 4 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 3, somewhere here it will come this side. Minus 4 comma 3. So what is the distance of this one, this point P from y-axis? Y-axis means this distance. 3 units from 2 units. D. So from y-axis, just remember this is the distance. See here I have one, this is 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So from y-axis, what is the distance? Distance is this much. So this is 4 units, not 3 units. Wealth is, I missed one question. 1 second, let me check. Okay, I just missed one question. Yes, 12th one I didn't do. The distance of the point 2 comma 3 from x-axis. So 2 comma 3 will lie at this point. 1, this is 1, this is 2. So somewhere here it will lie. 1, 2, 3. So 2 comma 3. It's distance from x-axis. From x-axis, this is the distance. So this is 3 units. So 12th one, In this case, you just have to remember if any points distance from x-axis you have to find my. I want everyone to confirm if my voice is not audible. Is it fine now? Okay. Okay, so 12th question. So if you are finding distance from x-axis, y point is the answer. If you are finding distance from y-axis, x point is the answer. Okay, so for 12th question, point is 2 comma 3. Its distance you have to find from x-axis. Distance from x-axis you have to find. So x-axis distance means y point is the answer. So 3 units is the answer. This way you can just remember. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, so 12th one I have done. I hope you have understood, or you can just remember as a shortcut, because here we are doing MCQs and this type of questions you can get in MCQs only. So distance from x-axis means y point is the answer. Distance from y-axis means x point is the answer. So for this one, B. So next question. So now the point is minus 4 comma 3. This point's distance from y-axis you have to find. So if you have to find its distance from y-axis, so that means first of all x point is the answer. X point is the answer. But just remember this thing, distance cannot be negative. I have earlier also have told you distance cannot be negative. So which should be the answer? Minus 4, it's not possible, although x is minus 4. But you just have to consider the number without its sign. So for C option is the correct. 13th is option C, not B. Why not B? Because distance cannot be negative. We are asking the distance of the point. So although this number you have to take. From y-axis means you have to consider the x point, but only the positive. Okay, yes, so that's why it is not minus 4, because see both the options are there. You people tend to do this mistake, and it's very good question. So Saksham, which answer you have given? It's C option, 4 units. I hope this is clear. Is it clear? Okay. So next one, the distance of the point from origin. So from origin, I have given you the formula. From origin, I have given you the formula. So what is the formula? Distance from origin. What's the formula? Okay, I hope it's clear now. So I don't know, maybe some network issues. Yes, so Nikhil has given the answer. Distance from origin, it is x square plus y square. Distance from origin. So here x is minus 6, y is 8. So you can substitute the value minus 6 square plus 8 square. Yes. So 36 plus 64, which is equals to square root 100. So this is equals to 10 units. Square root of 100 is equals to 10 units. So C option. Yes, so Venugopal has given the answer for C option. 14th one, even Nikhil gave the answer. Who gave the answer? 14th one. Yes, so 14th one, C option is the answer. And you can also remember one hint I am telling you, whenever distance from origin you are finding, you can still use the concept of Pythagorean triplets. You can use the concept of Pythagorean triplets whenever you are finding distance from origin, because it will also form always right angle triangle. So 6, 8, 10, you know it, these are Pythagorean triplets. So directly also you can do this question. Now let's do next question. So here 13th and 14th both I did. So 15th question. 15th question, the distance between the points. So 2 points AB are there. So distance we have to find. What is distance formula? Even 1. What is distance formula? Madhusudan gave. Okay, Madhusudan gave. Okay, I didn't see. So today I can see so many answers are there. So maximum of you are giving the answer. Option B. Okay. So distance between A is given to us as 0, 6, B is given to us 0, -2. We have to find the distance. So distance formula we have to use. Distance formula is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. You can write the coordinates. A's coordinates as x1 y1, B's coordinates as x2 y2. So here just you have to substitute. X2 is 0, x1 is also 0, y2 is -2, y1 is 6. So y2 minus 6. So here 0 minus 0 is 0. This is -8 minus plus with minus sign. So -8 square. So 0 plus 64. It is 64 only. So square root of 64 is 8 units. So 15th B, 15th. Yes, Tarunya has written the distance formula only, so that's correct. So 15th one, B option is the correct answer. B option 8 units is the correct answer. So next one, 16th also we have to use distance formula. Voice is again breaking. I don't know what is happening today. Saksham, Shivani and Yashvardhan has given the answer. Even so many of you have given the answer. 8 units. Okay, 16th one let's do. I hope my voice is audible now. 8 units. So next one also we have to find the distance using distance formula. So distance of 2 points. Points are given to us. Zero, 5 and -5, 0. So I am considering first one as x1 y1, second one as x2 y2. Now we just have to substitute. 16th one also many of you have done. Let's see. So x2 minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 5 whole square. So this is equals to -5 minus 0 is -5 only, -5 whole square plus -5 whole square. 0 minus 5 is also -5. So square of negative is always positive. So 5 square 25 minus 5 square 25. So this is root 50. So what is the value of root 50? Root 50 you can solve by doing prime factorization. So 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 5 and 5 into 1. So 2 5s you can take out of the root as 1 5 and 1 2, which is not making any pair. It should be written inside the root only. So 5 root 2, B option. 5 root 2 option B. Even Adarsh, Yashvardhan, Madhusudan has given the answer first. Yes. Divya, Shivani, Yashvardhan, Tarunya has given the answer. Even Viresh has given the answer 5 root 2. So I hope now We should do next question. Till here, if anyone has any doubt, just let me know. Yes, so next question. 17th question. Question number 17th. I'm going to do now. So AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are given to us. So it's a rectangle. AOBC. In this order I am taking, it's a rectangle. Vertices of A given to us as 0, 3. Vertices of O as 0, 0. B coordinates 5, 0. The length of its diagonal. So length of its diagonal, how to find? Length of its diagonal, how to find? Diagonal means corner to corner. Any line we can join. So AB, if I'm joining, how to find length of diagonal? Okay, Sean, thanks for the confirmation. So how to find now length of the diagonal? Any diagonal, because we know the coordinates of A and B. So we can find the length of AB by using distance formula. Anytime if you see word length here in coordinate geometry, so that means always you have to find the distance. Length means distance you have to find by using distance formula. Again, voice is breaking. Voice is coming. Yashwardhan is telling robot voice is coming. Is it still breaking? I don't know what is happening with the network today. Looks like it might be, for me it is showing perfect only, but I'm not sure. It's okay, you are understanding. It's fine. Okay. So length of the diagonal we have to find by using distance formula. Again here also we can use distance formula. A's coordinate we can write as x1, y1. B's coordinate we can write as x2, y2. Okay, if it is clear, we can do this question. So we can find the length of AB now, which is the diagonal of the rectangle. So distance formula you have to apply. Whenever length we have to find, we have to apply distance formula. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is 5, 5 minus 0 plus y2 is 0 minus 3. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 square 25 plus 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 square is 9. So 25 plus 9. So this is root 34 square. Okay, Shrikant, you're able to understand, then it's good. C option, root 34 is the correct option. So 17th answer is C option, root 34 units. Let's do now next question, question number 18. 18th question I am going to do. If the distance between points is 5 units, so one point is there, that point is 2 comma minus 2, I'll write it as A. Another point is there which is point B, so that is given to us as minus 1 comma x. So the distance between these two points is 5 units. Distance is already given to us. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x in this question. Again, I think there is network issue. Or is it audible? Is my voice clear now? Okay, I think it's clear. So distance is given to us. We have to make use of distance formula again and find the value of x. So this coordinates of A we can write as x1, y1. Coordinates of B we can write as x2, y2. So I'll apply distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB is given to us. So distance is already given to us. I am just substituting the value of the distance 5. And the square also let's shift to other side because we don't need square. So square root when I shift to other side it will become square. So now x2's value is minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Y2's value is x minus 2 whole square. So 5 square is 25. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 square. Plus here I'll get x. Minus is plus. X plus 2 whole square. Now let's simplify. 25 is equals to 9. 3 minus 3 square is 9. Here what we have to do in this question. Okay, but yes, we have to use identity here. So which identity we have to use here? Because we cannot add x and 2. So which identity we can use? We can use a plus b whole square. So it will become yes quadratic equation. So this is actually a plus b whole square. First of all, we'll use identity. So this is x square. A plus b for x plus 2 whole square I am going to use identity a plus b whole square where a is x and b is 2. So that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'll just substitute the value of a is x. So x square plus 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 2 into x into 2. So this will become x square plus 4 plus 4x. Voice is breaking. Yes, a plus b whole square. So here I'll just write now. I'll just clear this thing. Yes. So 25. 9 also let's shift to this side. Or let it be this side first. 25 is equals to 9 plus x square plus 4 plus 4x. Let's shift 25 also to this side now. Other side we don't have anything. I'll write 0. So x square plus 4x. 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 25 plus 25 when I shift to other side it will become minus 25. Now 0 instead of writing this side we can write other side also. So x square plus 4x plus 13 minus 25. What we'll get? So minus 2 minus 12 is equals to 0. Instead of writing 0 this side I can write other side also. So option B. So here we have got quadratic equation. So quadratic equation you already know how to solve. By splitting the middle term we can solve. We can solve by splitting the middle term. So I hope you know how to solve quadratic equation. Till here if anyone has any doubt please tell me. So in between because I see some network issues are there. If till here anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. So quadratic equation I am solving now. So product of first and last. So first is 1 into minus 12 is minus 12 and middle term is 4. Middle term is 4. We'll split middle term in such a way so that the product of those numbers should be minus 12 and their addition should be equals to 4. So we know 6 and 2. 6 and 2. If we use positive 6 and negative 2, we will get their product as minus 12 and their addition as positive 4. So I'm just going to substitute here 1x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equals to 0. So here this is one pair and this is one pair. So x I am just taking out common. So x plus 6 minus 2 is common here. So x plus 6 we will get. See, quadratic equation I am not explaining. I am believing here you already know how to solve quadratic equation because in factorization we have learnt this. Okay, no problem if he has gone also. So x value what we'll get? X minus 2 into x plus 6 is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is equals to 0 or x plus 6 is equals to 0. If we equate it with 0, we'll get value of x as positive 2 or value of x as negative 6. So which option is the correct answer? Positive 2, B option. Yes, many of you already gave me the answer. B option, B option. Yes, so maximum of you have given the answer. Okay, next question. Shall we do next question? Option B. Option B is the correct. See, next question is similar type of question which we did now, 19th question. Okay, I'll just explain. See, in this question what we did, 2 points were given to us. Question number 19th. No, question number 18th. 18th I'm just going to explain once again. Roughly I'll just explain. 2 points were given to us and their distance was already given. So this is point A, this is point B. So point A's coordinates are 2 comma minus 2 and B's coordinates are minus 1 comma x. So their distance is given to us as 5 units. We used distance formula. After using distance formula, we got this quadratic equation. We got this quadratic equation and we just solved the quadratic equation and two values of x we got. So next question is similar question. If anyone has any doubt in this one, I'll just explain once again. The same kind of question, 19th. If anyone has any doubt, we'll just do 19th question so that you have a more clarity. Shall we do 19th question? P is 4. So Madhusudan has already, because Sami has that doubt. Okay, Saksham has already solved. Okay, so same kind of question. Point is there, one point A. A's coordinate I am writing as 4 comma P. And then another point B is there. So coordinates 1 comma 0. Distance between them is 5 units. We have to find the value of P. Same thing we will do. So AB is what? AB's length we can find by using distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And here we have distance AB equals to 5. The square or square root will shift to other side. It will become square. And now we'll just substitute the values. We substitute the values. X2, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x2 is 1 minus 4 whole square, y2 is 0, 0 minus p whole square. So 5 square is 25. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 is a whole square. 0 minus p is minus p. Minus p whole square. Now 25 as it is. Minus 3 is a square. Yes, the strength is no problem. It's already 10 o'clock. I'll just do this question and we'll finish the class. So minus 3 whole square is 9. So this is plus minus p square is p square. 9 will shift to other side. So 25 minus 9 is equals to p square. 25 minus 9 is, what is 25 minus 9? It is 16. So square also, when we shift to other side, it will become square root. So what is the value of p? What's the value of p? So square root is always positive as well as negative. So this question was a good question. Square root is always positive as well as negative. So p's value we will get as positive or negative 4, which is option C. Now I'll answer. Many of you answered as option A, as Madhusudan has also answered, and many of you are telling option A. See, option A is not correct because coordinates, P is coordinate. Coordinates can be positive as well as negative. Coordinate can be positive as well as negative. So P's value here, it is plus minus 4, not only. Yes, so many of you, whoever is telling, I can see even Madhusudan or many of you, Gayatri, Nikhil, everyone has mentioned P's value as 4. See, P is not a distance. Distance is always positive. Coordinates can be positive as well as negative. So that's why C option plus minus 4 is the correct answer. Yes. I hope this is clear. I hope this thing is clear. 20th question will do. After 20th question, I'll just give you few questions for practice. Is there anyone who wants me to not to do 20th question, or shall we do? Clear. Okay. 20th Madhusudan has already. Let's finish this 20th question and then we can just wrap up the class. I'll give few practice question after this. Yes. So points are given to us. We have to see which. So distance you can find. So 3 points you can just assume. A as minus 4 comma 0, B as 4 comma 0 and C as 0 comma 3. So 3 distances you can find. So then you will, if all the sides will get equal, like AB is equals to BC is equals to CA, that means it is an equilateral triangle. If all are different, that means it's scalene triangle. If two are equal, that means isosceles triangle. So we just have to check. So AB, I am just finding distance. Directly I will write now. So AB, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So coordinates of A and B I am going to use. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 is 4 minus 4. So this will become plus 4. Y2 is 0 minus y1. That is also 0. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 whole square is 64. So square, I'll get AB as 8 units. So AB is 8 units. So we have found the value of AB 8 units. Let's do now BC. So one by one we will find distance. First of all AB I have found 8 units. Now BC we will find, then only we will come to know which type of triangle is this one. So formula I have already written. So you can also find the distances along with me and tell me. Let's see, before me, even Madhusudan has already done and told me the answer. So BC I am going to find now. So coordinates of B and C I am going to use. So x2 is 0 minus 4 whole square plus y2 is 3, y1 is 0. B and C's coordinates I am using now. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4 square 16. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 square is 9. So this one will get root 25, which is equals to 5 units. Which is equals to 5 units. So we got the value of BC as 5 units. BC 5 units. Just keep on checking my answers, because sometimes I can also do mistake. So AB and BC we have found. Let's find now AC. Let's find now AC. So AC. So coordinates of A and C we have to use. So x2 0 minus 4, it will become 0 plus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. So this will become 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 square is 16, 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 square is 9. So this is root 25, which is equals to 5 units. So AC is also equals to 5 units. So option B, two sides of the triangle when we have equal, that means the triangle is isosceles triangle. Option B. Yes, AB is 8 units, BC is 5 units and AC is also 5 units. Option B is the correct answer, isosceles triangle. So Sahana, Tanushri, Praveen and Nikhil has given the answer. Even Shivani has given the answer. So 20 questions we have done. Here are few practice questions. You can do MCQs only. You can try. You can take a screenshot of this one and try these questions. And in tomorrow's class, we will do the subjective type of questions of the distance formula only. Maximum questions I will be doing of distance formula. If anyone has any doubt, you can let me know, or else let's wrap up the class. Yes, Madhusudan, you have only given this answer first. Just take the screenshot and you can try these questions. Yes, today the strength was maximum, but now it's only 16. So I'm just going to end the class. If anyone has any doubt, you can just tell me. Distance formula, yes. Distance formula and solids combined test. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night.